Let us try to find out the number of moves in the game of chess. There are 64 squares and 8 white pieces and 8 black pieces. The total number of pawn moves in the first attempt is 16 since each pawn can now move forward by either one step or 2 steps. Other possible moves are the 2 moves each by each knight, thus a total of 4 possibilities. Hence, the total number of possible moves by white is 20. Similarly, the total number of possible moves by black is also 20. Thus, the total possible combinations for the first move is 400. Now, let white's first move be the pawn move as shown. We take this to be the first variation among the 20 possibilities. Based on this first move, the number of possible second moves by white are shown. The pawn already moved has one possible move, while the 7 remaining pawns each have 2 moves, and the dark squared rook has 1 move, while the light squared knight has only 1 move, and the dark squared knight has 2 possible moves, and thus, the total number of possible legal moves turns out to be 19. Now, for variation 2, if white's first move is this, then the position gets flipped and hence 19 more moves are possible for the second move. Similarly, we need to calculate such moves for all other variations. For example, if the first white move is as shown, then the pawn ahead has 1 move, the dark squared rook has 2 possible moves, each other pawn has 2 moves, and the knights have 2 moves each, totaling to 21 possible legal moves. A similar situation occurs for the variation 4. And for the variation 5, the number of legal moves again turns out to be 21, as shown. A similar situation occurs for the variation 6. For the variation 7, the number is 21, and for the variation 8, the number is 21 again. For the variation 9, the number of legal moves add up to be 19, and for the variation 10, there are 20 legal moves. For the variation 11, there are 21 legal moves. And for the variation 12, there are 22 legal moves as shown. In a similar fashion, we can calculate all other remaining 8 variations for the second move by white and realize that the possible moves are more than 20 on average per variation. However, we did not calculate for the variations due to interactions between the white and black pieces, which can only lead to an increase in the total number of possible solutions. Thus, after the first move by each side, we can see that the total possibilities for the second move by white could be greater than 8,000 and for black, the same could be greater than 160,000. However, exact estimates suggest that this value could be only somewhere around 71,800 distinct positions after both players have made second moves. The same can be estimated to be more than 9 million distinct positions after the third moves by each player. It is estimated that the total number of distinct legal chess positions is around 4.8 times 10 to the power 44. If we only calculate all possible chess positions including illegal moves, the number stands to be 10 to the power 120 and known as the Shannon number. Thanks for holding on till the end. Have a great game.